Malaysian 370 takes off in Kuala Lumpur International Airport. But there was something suspicious about the flight. They took more fuel than expected, but it wasn't suspicious anymore because they drained some fuel on the taxiway. But another suspicious thing was that inside of the cargo section, there is almost 1,000 mangosteens. Then the plane lifted off the ground and puts up its landing gear. Inside here, there was a pilot. He had a flight simulator, but he wanted to make the plane go missing, so he trained it in his flight simulator at home. The plane was supposed to go to Igawe and contact another airport, but the first officer went to take coffee, and when I was at the door, he locked it, and then he did a very hard turn. It was so sharp until the back angle alarm happened. The plane has now switched its route back to Kuala Lumpur International Airport. Fast forward after it reached the Indian Ocean. The pilot somehow opened the latch that can make oxygen go out. And now there is a big hole through the cockpit. Everybody went unconscious except the pilot. But after that, he also fainted, leaving the plane in autopilot. Soon later, the plane went at the middle of the Indian Ocean. It was soon later daytime, but suddenly, autopilot made the plane turn upside down. We still didn't know why autopilot did this, but autopilot can make mistakes, making planes crash. The plane turned upside down and was headed for the sea. While the plane was still upside down, a flapper one from the plane broke out. Since everybody already passed out and wasn't alive, nobody survived the crash.